Welcome to the Culinary Insider for October 16th, 2018. I'm Ryan Parker. Last night on the Cooking Channel, Alton Brown brought back one of the most beloved food shows ever. Good Eats Reloaded aired on the Cooking Channel. Alton dusted off 13 episodes of Good Eats. The new shows of Good Eats feature material from the original episodes with reworked sketches and recipes. Also, the current version of the show features a current version of Alton Brown, who looks a bit older but a heck of a lot healthier. In an interview with Eater, Brown said it was hard seeing the images of the old Alton Brown versus the new Alton. The now me is on screen with the old me, which is a difficult thing to confront, your own age and mortality. The original intent of Good Eats Reloaded was to make some small changes to the recipes and update the way Alton likes to do things now. He admits that going through the episodes, there is on average 65% new content. If you're a Michigander, if you like Faygo Pop, if you're an Insane Clown Posse fan, and if you're over 21, then do some Michigan breweries have fantastic news for you. 7 different Faygo-based beers are being brewed just for you. In more beer news, your beer might be getting more expensive thanks to climate change. Researchers in China and an environmental scientist from the University of California, Irvine used models of economic activity and climate change for areas that grow barley. They are predicting a price jump of $4.34 at a minimum for a pint of beer by 2100. That is all the food, drink, and dining news for you today. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new episodes. Remember, food is life, and life is great. Take care, everybody.